Okay, hiya. This is another video blog. It's the penultimate one, I guess, before our trip. And as you can see, I am really, really excited about this trip. It's one of those things that I've just been looking forward to, and that's amazing that it's actually come around so quickly. And I'm sure my fellow nuts are feeling the same as well. So it's going to be quite hard trying to get a good night's rest, but I do need a good night's rest because I'm just never going to get to sleep in the aeroplane. I just cannot sleep in airplanes at all. So I'm not exactly relishing the prospect of a 15-hour flight just to get there, but I know once I'm there I'll just have an incredible experience. I'd like to thank everyone for sponsoring me so far. There's still time to sponsor me. The sponsorship page is open up until the end of the year, so if you haven't sponsored me yet, then do drop a few pennies in. It's all going towards a good cause, and it'll help so many people out there. And I hope you stay tuned, just to keep an eye on the Twitter feeds. I'll try and update it as much as I can while I'm out there, just to let you know how we're all doing. And I'll be taking as many pictures and videos as I can so I can share this experience with everyone when I get back. So we'll upload some more of these afterwards, or after the trip, after the whole challenge is over. I guess the next time you'll see one of these is when I return, and you'll see everything that we've got up to and what the experience was like, and how we feel about it afterwards. Right now I'm feeling really, really excited, but yes, a part of me is a little anxious and scared as to what's going to happen. Yeah, whatever happens, happens for the best. That's the way I say it. I'm not going to push myself too hard and too much beyond my own capabilities. I'm just going to take it easy and do my best. That's all I can ask for, really. So, adios, ta-ta, so long, see ya, and catch you on the other side. I've got to stop smiling. I'll see ya.